We're starting off with 2 pounds of chopped pecans in our crock pot. Make sure that's nice and flat. Now we're coming in with 1 pound of milk chocolate right on top of our pecans. Then we're gonna do 1 pound of white chocolate, just stacking it right on top. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious crock pot treat. I have here some peppermint crunch. These are the Andes, so they do melt. And we are gonna put that right along on top of those pecans. Now, if you don't like peppermint, you can do more chocolate. You could do a dark chocolate, or you could do those Reese's chips. But this is gonna be a nice festive treat, and it's gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna use half a bag of my peppermint chips. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Get those peppermint chips nice on our pecans, and that is it, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and put our lid on our crock pot, and we are gonna put this on high, and it's gonna cook up super quick. All right, so we're gonna check this out midway. We don't want that chocolate to burn, so we are gonna just give it a quick, light little mix. See how everything is kind of melting together. Oh, it smells like a peppermint mocha in our house.
It smells so delicious, babe.
Yeah,
wow.
And those pecans are gonna just be so decadent when it's fully melted. Oh, okay. That looks delicious. So that's been about 30 minutes, and I think we're just gonna need about 30 to 45 more minutes on high until those chocolates are fully melted. But let's go ahead and let that melt. Okay, let's go ahead and put this off, and let's check out our chocolate. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did mix this while it was melting, because I really didn't want any of that chocolate to burn, and look how delicious it looks. This is exactly what we were going for. Get all of those pecans covered. Yummy. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna bring in a sheet pan that I put some wax paper on, and then I have a scooper here, a little ice cream scooper. And we're gonna go ahead and scoop up our pecan mixture and place it right on our wax paper, just like so. We are gonna make some delicious holiday candy. This is such a great way to make your holiday candy super quick. You get such a large batch to share with everyone. And I mean, who doesn't love pecans and peppermint? Oh, but like I said, you can use, dark chocolate instead of peppermint. You could use peanuts instead of pecans. Just use whatever you like. This is such an easy way to just get a bulk candy out of your crock pot for the holidays. Okay, we're almost done here. Let's just fit as much as we want. These aren't gonna expand, so it's not like we need to have space between them. I usually like to make these a little bit bigger, but last time when I made them super big, you guys said I made them too big, so I'm making them a little bit smaller, a little bit more manageable. No huge, sweet tooths here, so that's totally fine. Let's just get as much as we can. That one can go right on there. Oh my goodness.
You can see like the peppermint inside. It looks delicious.
Yeah, most of that peppermint melted, but some of it is still intact. Oh my gosh, that looks perfect.
Oh, that's probably the pecans I'm seeing.
Yeah, that's definitely what you're seeing. Okay, now before these start to harden, of course, we are going to do some holiday sprinkles, just something small and light. This is gonna be optional as well if you don't like sprinkles, but I like sprinkles, especially for the holidays. Just adds all that festive, makes it look a little bit prettier. Oh my, isn't that so cute?
Yes, I was about to say, so cute.
And they smell so good. I mean, the peppermint, the chocolate, the pecans. This is gonna be the best holiday candy ever. Okay, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. All right, you guys, our Christmas candy is ready. Look how decadent that looks. Let's go ahead and serve it up. And it should just come right off this wax paper. Super easy. Look at those little clusters of deliciousness. Last one. Oh my, beautiful pecan peppermint Christmas candy. Okay, let's try it out. that is better than I could imagine.